If you are wondering if YouTube really pays more creators, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Lafi's Corner, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube paid me in the month of October as a small YouTuber that just got monetized on YouTube. If you are wondering if YouTube really pays more creators like you and I, this video is for you because you are definitely going to learn something from this video. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are very much welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. Please like and share this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family, and tap on the notification button to get notified whenever I drop a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video of today. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the screenshots of the top 5 videos that got me the most earning in this month of October. So let's dive into the video. The top 5 videos that got me the most earning in this month of October, and I'm starting from the 5th one, so I'm going to start from the 5th one, which is how to cornrow with extension for beginners, that got me 30 cents. The 4th one, how to ventilate a 13x4 lace wig, which also gave me 30 cents. Yeah. Moving on to the 3rd one, which is how to add extension to stitch braid for beginners, and it gave me 52 cents. This video was supposed to give me more money, but like it was supposed to give me more money than this, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, it got me 52 cents, and I am grateful for that. So moving on to the 2nd one, which is detailed pattern for knotless braid, and it got me 79 cents, which is closer to, so it got me 79 cents, which is closer to $1. Then moving on to the first video, guys, we're moving on to the first video that got me the most earning in this month of October. These video views were not even close to that. Called video got me the most earning in this month of October, and that video is how to twist natural hair with expression kinking. It got me 87 cents, which is also close to $1. So in total, I made $5.50 in the month of October. I know one day we are moving to hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, and the rest of them like that. So, but till then, let's still appreciate and let's celebrate the little earning right now. At this, let's still appreciate and celebrate this little earning that this platform is giving. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of this amazing family, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye.